Hey everyone, and welcome back to Learning English with Short Videos, your go-to place for mastering English, one practical step at a time. Have you ever needed to make an important international call for work, but felt a little nervous about English you need to use? Maybe you struggled to connect or didn't quite know the right phrases. Well, today we are going to conquer that fear. In this video, we are diving into making an international call, essentially English for any office environment. By the end of the video, you will feel confident and ready to dial anyone, anywhere. If you are ready to boost your professional English, hit that like button right now. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons. Let's set the scene with our friend Ko Lin and Ko Myo. In the previous lesson, Ko Myo called Ko Lin, but Ko Lin was out of the office, so he missed the call. Now Ko Lin needs to call Ko Myo back, but Ko Myo is in Sydney, Australia, and Ko Lin is having a bit trouble with the phone line, so he needs help from the telephone operator. This is a super common scenario, so pay close attention to the language they use. Before we jump into their conversation, let's learn some key vocabulary that will make the dialogue super easy to understand. Ready? Number 1, please hold, meaning wait on the phone line. For example, the operator might say, please hold while I connect you. Think of it like, please wait. Number 2, phone line is open, meaning the connection is ready, you can talk now. For example, great news, the phone line is open, you can speak to him now. It means the call is connected. 3, put you through, meaning connect you to someone else on the phone. For example, I'll put you through to the manager. This is what the operator does. They connect you. 4, miss your call, meaning didn't answer your phone when you called. For example, sorry, I missed your call yesterday. How can I help? We all do that sometime, right? 5, promptly, meaning quickly, without delay. For example, please reply to this email promptly. It means fast, right away. 6, all ears, meaning listening very attentively or eager to hear. For example, tell me your idea, I'm all ears. This is a great idiom. It means you're giving someone your full attention. Excellent. Now that we have all these powerful words in our toolkits, let's listen to the dialogue. May I help you, sir? I've been trying to make a direct call to Sydney, Australia, but there seems to be a problem with the line. I can't get through. If you give me the number, I will connect you. Certainly, the number is 5155716. It's a business number. After a minute later, sir, the line is open now, so I will put you through. Yes, please. Thanks. I'll talk to Ko Lin. Myo is on the line. Hello, Ko Myo. I'm Ko Lin, calling from the best. I'm sorry I missed your call yesterday. Thanks for getting back to me promptly. I have a couple of questions regarding the product design. I'm all ears. Go ahead, Ko Myo. Thanks. Now it's a quiz time. Let's see how much you've learned. You can pause the video to think about your answer, then play to see if you got it right. According to the dialogue, what was the primary reason Ko Lin needed to speak with the telephone operator? A. He wanted to schedule an international call for a later time. B. He didn't know the phone number for Sydney, Australia. C. He was experiencing a problem with a line and couldn't connect his call directly. D. He needed to report that he missed a call from Ko Myo. And the correct answer is C. He was experiencing a problem with a line and couldn't connect his call directly. Great if you get this right. Question 2. Which statement best describes the purpose of Ko Lin's call to Ko Myo? A. He was responding to a call that he had missed on a previous day. B. He was complaining about the poor quality of the phone line. C. He was calling to ask the operator for Ko Myo's phone number. D. He was making an initial business inquiry to a new contact. And the correct answer is A. He was responding to a call that he missed on a previous day. Great if you get this right. Question 3. What phrase did the operator use to inform Ko Lin that she was actively connecting his call to Ko Myo? A. I will connect you. B. I will put you through. C. The line is open now. D. Please hold. And the correct answer is B. I will put you through. Fantastic if you got this right so far. Question 4. When Ko Lin say, I'm all ears, what is he communicating to Ko Myo? A. He is ready to listen attentively to what Ko Myo has to say. B. He is confirming that his ears are working after the line issues. C. He is having difficulty hearing and needs Ko Myo to speak up. D. He is about to share some important news of his own. And the correct answer is A. He is ready to listen attentively to what Ko Myo has to say. Question 5. Based on the dialogue, who is calling from the company the best? A. Both Ko Lin and Ko Myo. B. Ko Myo. C. Ko Lin. D. The operator. And the correct answer is Ko Lin. Great if you get all of the answer correct. You have just learned how to confidently navigate an international phone call in English. You have got the vocabulary, you have seen it in action, and you have tested your knowledge. Now, try practicing these phrases, maybe with a friend or even just talking to yourself in the mirror. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. If this video helped you feel more confident about making international call, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more practical English lessons designed specifically for beginners. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss new videos. Tell me in the comment below what is the longest international call you have ever made, or what English phrases do you find most challenging when speaking on the phone. I love hearing from all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.